You guys, Caden here today on a baby bird. Don't back talk me. Going in the tree again.
You're a hard bird. That snake's gonna eat it.
No, it's not. There are actually two snakes. There was one right there, and then the other one went over that way.
Can I go finish my nap now?
Oh my god, you sleep that all the time.
Right there.
Where? You can't see it, guys, but it's moving. That's just gonna be this video for today, but so here's Joey. If you hadn't subscribed to him yet, go subscribe to him. So I will put his name right here, so you can go subscribe to him. Because, well, he recorded videos on his tablet, and then,
I am napping.
nobody cares what you're doing. You could be taking a dump and nobody would care. And then, he broke his tablet. He has, like 15 videos. He was really posting more videos than I was, and I've been up for like 8 months. At the time, he's been up for only like a week, and he already posted like 5 more videos than me. But anyways, now there's a big bird.
What? Hey, screw
Right
you,
there.
big bird. Nobody cares about you. Baby birds look better. You want it?
Whoa. So yeah, I found a snake in that tree.
That's the two of them.
Well, yeah, we ended up finding 2 of them, but
I found one.
where'd he go? But we found a snake curled up in a tree, and then I walked around, and then I saw the baby bird. Now it couldn't fly. That's why we could get so close to it. And so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and as always, see you. Bye bye.
Love you, mama. So good. Ain't grandmama.